Hello, my fellow comic book collectors. This is going to be another unboxing video. I know I do a lot of these unboxing videos. I hope you enjoy them. I really enjoy getting comics, so I probably buy way too many comics. And this is no exception. This is going to be another unboxing video where I got some packages in the mail, and I've been letting it collect up so that, you know, you can see like a whole bunch of things come out. And I just wanted to show you what's inside. So I've been collecting a lot of varieties, so I'm not really quite sure what's inside of these. So it's going to be a surprise for you and for me. So we'll see what's inside. Hopefully some cool stuff. I only buy cool stuff, I hope. Yeah, so with that said, let me get into these comics. I'll open these up pretty quick. The one problem I have is I actually have to show myself opening up these packages, because with my iPhone, which I'm recording on right now, it doesn't allow me to pause. So normally I'd pause, kind of do a bit of slicing and dicing, and then do the comic unboxing. But I can't do that. I can't do that because it won't let me pause. And this is actually the first one I opened is a banger. It's just an awesome comic. So if you've been watching my unboxing videos, you know that I've been collecting Seduction of the Innocent, I should say. And with the Seduction of the Innocent, they basically profiled a bunch of books that they deemed to be destroying the minds of young kids. And there was a few titles which are actually kind of major publications on it. There was like Superboy, Superman, and another one is Wonder Woman with Sensation Comics. This one. This was Sensation Comics number 81. And in this is kind of an interesting, there's sort of a relationship, like it's between two women that Wortham believed was kind of like a lesbian relationship. And whether it was or wasn't, that's debatable, but this was the comic that had that weird relationship. So at the time, that would be a major, like nowadays, who cares? But back then, it was a big deal. So this is Sensation Comics from the Seduction of the Innocent. So very cool comic, very rare, hard to find. It's not in particularly high grade, you can see. It's like, you know, kind of beaten up spine, got a big chip out of the corner, but even in this grade, it's a pretty pricey book. So but I'm just excited to have it in my collection as I get more and more of the Seduction of the Innocent books. So that's the first one. So with that said, let's do the big one. Let's see how fast I am with this slicer. Okay, so the big one, I have no idea what this is. Oh, it looks like a bunch of comics. So, trying to slice it where I don't actually slice the comics. And we'll see what's inside. Hopefully something cool. Oh, okay. There's a series of comics that I was reading that I thought was reasonably good. It's like not a bad story. And it's called Lumberjanes. So this is like I bought the first 15 issues of Lumberjanes. So this is all mixed up. So actually, first 18 issues of Lumberjanes, I should say. This is number 18. So Lumberjanes number 18. They're going to be making a Disney. I think it's Disney that's going to do the show, or one of those streaming podcasts or streaming services, I should say, is doing a show on it. So this is number 17. And it's not bad. It's kind of interesting. It's not what I expected. So I read the series. I thought it was okay. Number 16. Number 15. believe this is going to be number 14. Number 13. And I picked these up fairly cheaply. You know, I think I picked the whole 1 through 18 up for the same price as picking up a number 1. So not bad. I think it was like less than $100. So that's number 13. Number 12. So it's kind of interesting. It's kind of like Boy Scouts meets the Twilight Zone in a weird way. But it's all Girl Scouts, I should say. So Lumberjanes. So number 11. They have some crazy adventures. Oh, this is number 1. Number 1. So cool. First appearances of all the major characters. Number 2. These aren't in any particular order, so they're all over the place. So number 10. Number 9. Number 8. Number 7. Number 6. Number 5. Number 4. And number 3. So that's the 1 through 18 of Lumberjanes. And as I said, it's not a bad series. Definitely worth checking out. It's a quick read. So yeah. And they're making a cartoon series about it, animated series, which might be good. I don't know. You never know with these things. So depends on how they do it. So hopefully it's a good series. Oh, this one. Oh, this one's an awesome book. This is like, I'm so excited about this book, strangely. This is a really silly book. It is definitely one that is interesting. Okay. So, as you might know, if you watch, I have a series of videos where I sort of talk about obscure comics or comics that are controversial. And this is one of those controversial comics. This is actually a hilarious comic. It's Elf number 48. It is the one where it looks like he's molesting a seal. And they really play it up, actually. Caution, do not buy if safety seal is missing. So it's like, and no animals were injured during the making of this cover. So it's like, a bit sketchy. I think this was recalled too because it was just a little bit too much. So yeah, so it's, yeah, it's a really funny comic. It had huge controversy about it, and as a result, it's very rare and very sought after by collectors. It's just a really hard to find comic, and I managed to find it after searching for it for about a year. Where, you know, I'd find it on auction, and you know the prices were always a bit insane, but I was able to find it at a good price, so I was quite happy. So this is Elf number 48. The seal, the seal controversy. So, just a great comic. Okay, last one. Oh, okay, this one, I can tell that they didn't package it very well, so I'm a little bit nervous about this one. I'm not sure what this is. Let's see. Okay, maybe this is nothing. Okay, so this might be something else. So this might be just regular mail that just came in. So it has nothing to do with anything. So yeah, so that is my unboxing video. I thought the last one was something, but it's not. It's going to be, it's probably something for my business. So with all that said, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. I really like the Seduction and Innocent books, the Wonder Woman Golden Age one. It's so cool. I'm just going to show it again just because it is just so exciting to get this one. And this is Sensation Comics number 81. Just a really great comic. If you ever you know, try to pick up these golden age comics. They're just amazing. They're really cool. So yeah, I'm just super excited to get this in my collection. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And check out my other unboxing videos and my other videos in general. I'm sure there's going to be something there you might like. Thanks for watching. Bye.